Can you answer these 6 very easy questions about Islam? So try until the end to see how many out of 6 you got. But before continuing, please subscribe to support us and share this video with other Muslims to earn blessings. May Allah reward you. So let's get started. How many obligatory salat, prayers, are recommended to be performed each day? 5 salats. Who dictated the Quran to Prophet Muhammad? The angel Jibril. What is the name of the mother of Prophet Isa, Jesus? Maryam. And what is the name of the mother of Prophet Muhammad? Amina. What is the name of the holy book revealed to Prophet Muhammad? The Quran. And finally, what is the meaning of the word Islam? Please provide this answer in the comments.